Good morning, students. Welcome back. Welcome back to the session of Boolean algebra. So today we will be discussing Boolean algebra part number 35, and most probably we will be concluding this chapter with max terms, and the most expected question from this chapter is from K maps, so which is for 5 marks. So let's get started and let's check the highlights of today's class. So as you all know, Boolean algebra is chapter number 2 and today's class is part number 35. So let's move on to check the highlights. So as you all know, we are learning the simplification or minimization of Boolean expression using K-maps. The other method used to reduce or minimize is the method of this algebraic method. So previous session also we have been discussing the K-maps, and we are simplifying for POS expression. Let's take one more example where we have a given f of a comma b comma c comma. It's a 5 mark question. I have taken it from a question paper which has been asked. So I have taken one question from the question paper which says given function f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to, they have not specified whether it is pi or sigma, as we know that sigma indicates the SOP expression, pi indicates the POS expression, but they have not specified pi or sigma, but they have mentioned here saying that mm, f of a comma b comma c comma d, they have given the terms 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, and they have told us use k map to reduce the function f using POS form. Write a logic gate diagram for the reduced POS expression. So logic gate diagram we will not be able to write because logic gate diagram is the next chapter. We will come back to this problem. After minimizing, we will write the logic gate diagram only after completing the next topic, that is logic gates. So before that, let's write the map for 4 variables, and then let's try to simplify the map. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ it is more than 7 means 4 variables. So we have taken a map with 4 variables. Now we have the use corn map to reduce the expression. Let's mark 0 for 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 14. So 0 is here. Let's put a 0 here. Then 2. So let's put one more 0 in 2 expression. Then we have 4, 4, then 6, 8, then we have 10, then we have 14. Rest we can mark as 1, as it is a POS expression, we need to group zeros, not ones. If it is SOP, we have to group ones. So So let us make these four as one group, and we can form one quad, and then we will group these together, and then we will form one pair, that is 0 and 4. Here it is 2, 6, 14 and 10. So there is one 0 left. Either I can pair this with 8, this 8 square with 0 or 10, your choice. So we will pair this with 0 itself. This, so let's pair this 8 with 0. Now let's mark the expressions. So let this be quad 1, and let this be pair 1, and let this be pair 2. So let this be quad 1, quad 1 includes, so let's mark these, let's name this as quad 1, and let this be pair 1, and let this be pair 2. So now, as we have finished marking, let's write the expressions. First, let us write the expression for quad, or let's write the expression for pair. So first let us take pair 1. Pair 1. So pair 1 is M0 and M4. M0 ANDed with M4. Let's write the expression for M0. M0 is W plus X plus Y plus Z ANDed with W plus X plus Y plus Z, and then otherly common, so it is 0 is W plus X plus Y plus Z, 4 is W plus X bar plus Y plus Z, so it is X bar. Okay, now let's write the common expressions. What is common in both the expression, that is W Y plus Z is common. W Y plus Z. This is common in pair 1. Let's take pair 2. So pair 2 is M0 and M8. So M0, M8. So let's write the expression for M0 and M8. So which is W plus X plus Y plus Z ANDed with W plus X plus Y plus Z. So which is nothing but 0 andre W plus X plus Y plus Z. It is W bar 8 is W bar X Y plus Z. So it is W bar. So we'll put a bar for it's W bar. And now let's write the common terms in both. The common terms is W is not common because ಇಲ್ಲಿ W ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ W bar ಇದೆ. X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z. So this is the common term. Now let's write the expression for quad. So quad 1 is M2, M6, M10, M14. M2, M6, M10 and M14. So let's write the expression for that. So which is nothing but W plus X plus Y plus Z and with so W plus X plus Y plus Z and with W plus X plus Y plus Z and with W plus X plus Y plus Z. Let's mark the bars which is nothing but M2 is M2 column so M2 is here. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು expression ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you just take the labeling here. W plus X ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Y bar plus Z ಇದೆ. So W plus X, Y bar plus Z. So Y bar plus Z is M2. Next is M6. M6 is, look at the column that is W plus X bar and then Y bar plus Z. So Y bar plus Z. So similarly we have for M10. M10 is W bar so that is W bar M10 ನೋಡಿ W bar plus X ಇದೆ, that is W bar plus X and then Y bar plus Z. Next M14. M14 is W bar plus X bar plus Y bar plus Z. W bar plus X bar plus Y bar plus Z. Now let's write the common expression. So we'll know W bar. So W ಬರಲ್ಲ, X bar ಬರಲ್ಲ, Y bar, Y bar, Y bar, Y bar. So Y bar plus Z. So illu Z ಇದೆ, Z, Z and Z. Y bar, Y bar, Y bar, Y bar. So Y bar and Z. So y bar plus z is the common terms from the quad 1. So let's write the simplified expression. So the simplified expression for f of w comma x comma y comma z is, it is w plus, first we will take from this common term, w plus y plus z, w plus y plus z ANDed with x plus y plus z, that is this pair to the common terms, that is x plus y plus z, and then y bar plus z, that is y bar plus z. So this is the simplified expression for the given f of a comma b comma c comma d is 0 2 4 6 8 10 14. So first our ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ terms ಗೆ we will mark 0 and rest of the squares we will put 1 and then we will write the expression ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ common terms ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು then we will be writing the simplified expression. So this is about the POS expression. Let's take one more example and let's see how we can do that. So simplify the functions to an expression with a minimum number of literals. We need to simplify this, and there they have not given anything. They have just given f and they have given f dash. So f means SOP, f dash is POS, and then we can see ABC. There are three variables ABC. That means we need to draw a map for three variables. So let's get started and let's see how we can do this. As you can see, we have a truth table and we need to simplify using map, and they have not specified SOP or POS. How do we know whether it is SOP or POS? We need to check the output column. F anta ide. F means we have to do for SOP and F dash is POS. So now we have a map. As we know that here we have three variables, that is ABC. So ABC we will change this to XYZ because the map I have taken, it has a labeling of XYZ. So we will make this as, we will just change this as X, Y and Z. So now let's map the given map on the K map. Let us take first the SOP expression. Here we have 0 1 0 0 1 0, that is 0 column alli matte 1 0, it is this. So we'll put 1, sorry, it is 1 because first we are doing it for SOP. Then we have 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 is this. And then 110. 110 is M6. And 111 is again M7. So rest we will mark this as 0. Now as we can form one quad, we will group all the 4 ones as one quad. We can form only one quad. Let's do the marking. So this will be quad 1. Let's write the expression here. Quad 1 is M2, M3, M6, M7. M2, M3, M6 and M7. And the expression for the same is x, y, z, x plus y plus z ANDed with x plus y plus z ANDed with x plus y plus z ANDed with x plus y plus z. So now let's mark the complements. M2 is M2 is, that is x bar y z bar. So x bar x bar y z bar, and next is x bar y plus z, and next is x y z bar and x plus y plus z. Now let us see the common terms. X bar, x. So x bar barala, y, 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 y. So y is common. Z bar, z. Z is also not common. So the simplified expression is simplified expression of f of, as we know that only there are three variables, x comma y comma z is y. So this is the simplified expression. So you have, hope you have understood this. First we have done for a, we have done for a, that is f, sorry, f, that is m2, m3, and then this is 4, 5, m6, m7. So we have taken m2, 3, 6 and 7. So let us do the same for f dash. So here we have f dash 1 1 0 0, that is this is m0 m1 and this is 3 4 5 and 6. So it is 0, this is 0 1 2 3 illa 4 and 5. So let's do the expression for the max terms. So let's simplify the given expression using the truth table. We have finished doing for F, that is SOP. Now we shall do it for POS. So here we have the map which POS expression. So let me change this. Let this be X. Let this be Y. And let this be Z. So here you can see F dash. There is 1. So we need to mark zeros, right? So SOP ge 1 idre you should mark 1. So here wherever there is zeros you need to mark 0. That is M3. That is 0, 1 and 2. 2 we have to put 0 and then 3 you need to put 0. Then 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 we will put zeros. So others we can put 1. As we are doing it for POS, we need to group zeros. So we need to group zeros. We will group these quad, and we mark this as quad 1, quad 1, and now let's write the expression for the same. So for quad 1, quad 1 includes M2 ANDed with M3 ANDed with M6 ANDed with M7. So let's write the expression for the same. X plus Y plus Z, we will put the bars later on, and X plus Y plus Z ANDed with X plus Y plus Z ANDed with X plus Y plus Z. Now let's put the bars here. That is, here it is X Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z bar, and this is X Y plus Z bar, X plus Y plus Z bar, and here we have X bar plus Y bar plus 6. 6 is X bar Y bar Z, and 7 is X bar plus Y bar plus Z bar. Now let's take the common terms. X ide X, X bar ide, so we can't take Y, Y bar, we can't take Z bar. Let's write the Common terms. Now the common terms in all the expression is z bar. So simplified expression for f of x comma y comma z is equal to z bar. So this is about how we can reduce this, simplify the given expression with the truth table. So kindly go through again. So kindly practice the maps, as for sure there will be 5 marks coming from this topic. Hope you have followed what I have been explaining. You have understood what I explained today. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead.